a mini dress on him. That's a small. Okay, I'll just butter it for you, Evan.
Okay. Is this my plate? Do we get one of these?
Yeah.
What kind of plates are you getting?
We're just gonna have regular ones.
Okay.
Okay, there you go, huh?
Is there some people are getting?
Well, the napkins are all on the table already.
Oh,
We're good. Where you go? Phoenix, you can have a hot dog or a hamburger.
He's falling in.
Okay.
oh, I'm sure I'm having a hot dog next.
Phoenix, do you want a smoky or a hamburger?
What you doing, Keegan? Hey? What you doing, buddy? Hey.
Almost.
He's getting pretty good with the utensil using. You can do it, buddy. I know you can.
Where's the
I
mustard?
know you can. Right there, buddy.
Where? And where's the mayonnaise?
Right here. So you know how to do that?
That's olive oil.
That's mayonnaise. That's how they make mayonnaise.
Really? With olive oil?
Really?
With oil.
Yeah.
It's just a nice one with olive oil.
That's even better. Yeah, you're gonna like that. Just ask Uncle Rich.
Can I have a smoky?
It only took you 5 minutes to find out.
No. He did a magic trick. He put his cup under his top hat. And I had to guess.
Oh, I see.
All is well. What does he have on his hot
Yeah, I'm the first one to open it.
Ketchup.
First one to open the mustard.
Open ketchup.
It's all
Ketchup
good.
boy.
Oh, hey, there's pickles in the fridge. I think we should get them out because I know.
Yeah, you're gonna be the first one to have the mustard.
Alright.
And there's chips here if you want some chips. Put them on the table.
Who's letting you do that though?
The baby dills.
Yeah. Is that okay?
Exactly what I mean.
And there's corn here. Sir, what did you say? Mustard and ketchup?
And mayonnaise.
Relish and ketchup for
No, for Phoenix.
Yeah, he likes everything. He likes mustard, ketchup,
no, not mustard.
relish.
Phoenix
Well,
doesn't
just a
like
little bit.
Not
Just
mustard.
like a little bit.
No, he's been
Alright,
telling me
okay,
lately
mix it
must
then, yeah, I guess just
ketchup and
relish.
relish lately. That's all he's wanted.
Alright,
ketchup and relish it is.
He'll eat it probably
Okay, where do we
too. if it hasn't been
seated?
mustard.
Because I don't take these.
You're walking around with this plastic bag in my pocket.
Can sit anywhere.
Dog owners and kid owners, eh?
Did you say
Oh,
that?
it's
Relish
just-
and
yeah.
ketchup, right? Duh. I've got a great memory. Oh, you need meat for that, don't you?
No.
Here, you.
Okay.
You want cheese, honey? Can you eat a big one or do you want a little one? I'll give you a little one because you might want smoky. And there's another hamburger you can have. Whoa, sorry.
He's got a lot of stuff on that. A lot of things in this here.
Why do we have four?
I just missed the bunch.
Yeah.
I got the counter. Pardon me?
Why do I get two?
Yeah, he
No.
just took the top off.
No, you can sit anywhere you
Is
like.
this yours? Or mine?
They're going for the same
Those
time.
look great.
Got mine out by the queues.
What's with this ketchup?
You can hit it. You can do it.
Jeez.
It's about. You got a plate for it?
Evan, you're not having cheese on your burger, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got
Like
cheese.
cheese is mine again?
Whoa.
There is one patty in there with no cheese on it.
Yeah, you got two plates there, honey. Oh, really? Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, do you boys want some milk or do you want some iced tea?
Ice
I mean, milk, please.
Milk, please? Okay.
Actually, iced tea, yeah.
Well, last time, which is it?
Milk is better.
You want
Iced tea.
iced tea?
All right.
What's the iced tea? Iced tea is, well, Copley.